ya Nyamira nsemo ya kitutu masaba boigaba Rwanda aoni goba ikasi cyo bisikiye kyombekeri cyo bochori ne chimbibe IBC elikonyara kubwato kama sakaraba seganga yo ku Rwanda birugo asobo chori obone bole bosio gati yaboni go abagwanchura litukoli ya lero ne kyombekyo abwase bate abunamba chikwekerania magendro anase bunge ya kitutu masaba gotoka se county ya Nyamira ayaniga go chamboto kama kema ga kyombekyo go cha kumuje go yubeno cha gastali kemerongebera na kenda aboigoni go barachokora stariki kenda umutinyo gatano nalimo unenchereyemo yokurwali bagabena Rwanda akogendra we yakereko kasobo chori obonene bole bosio
amalita ne nkoro ku mheshimiwa Lydia Mora Kurugesima ward nchengo bolia obo MCA Kurugesima ward asikia magia Jubilee kuna moroche. We are in uniform and we are ready to face off the field. Na ndani maitenga ni ndituko chiko baba boyi ko sawa nando bayize boyi gesima bono tuachira iga. We are very happy bonoroje the mood of the people abante bale very happy bago kire that we are now cleared talibo etore cleared na IBC etoro mopira half time bono nalitoko chikobeka chinguru chito chonsi na and I want to thank my people so much for coming in large numbers kwandeta gaiga elinde tobe cleared babe kiroli abantu baretire chi propaganda ngalidi atari asedebe mwarorire lidi anede bare
etangoro kwa zipora kemtorina korukemera ward etwacha iga manga asokonyora chi certificate wanchiro sakoba cleared tochake korigichikura muna chi candidate igo exercise nabo kyarenge twarochenega kongura kini kyaberekia naenda babusabaito nabo baraba yabagotora twakorire bya twaire certificate nere bono muna inche nganeti obora bwakemera muna omo MCA ningani gokorera abantu baita mangana manene ko bwamona amache kemera anto bwati chipasta nteri konyora buya nane narote anto baminto muna oburai bwo musubati mboro buya nabaruti gatora abatema asikemere round ye.
Morning, my name is Benson Sumbwa Ambuko, the returning officer for Kitutu Masaba. My deputy here is Bob Mauko, and we have one of our staff, Scholastica. We are in the process of registering candidates for election that is scheduled for the 9th day of August 2022, and we started this process by registering candidates for election for Member National Assembly. The process began on the 29th up to 31st, where we have cleared all the members of parliament, members of National Assembly who are contesting for this election. We were able to clear 12 out of the 14 candidates that took papers. So we are anticipating to have done 5 members who are aspiring to be candidates